was early. One more ball.
No, we're done. We can't jack his ball.
That's fun.
You lost it?
Yeah. Do you see how far he hit it?
God, you're retarded, Matt.
Sorry, Zach. I'll bring you a ball next time I'm at your house.
You steal all of them anyway.
I steal all mine too.
Karma for stealing them.
It's flat.
No, dude, I have like 2 buckets.
Ugh.
I have like 2 big 5-gallon pails of balls.
Zach, you so stole my $10, you little
I
liar.
know. I was gonna give it to you later.
You actually did steal money.
I better, because I needed that for gas.
Dude, I found my wallet.
Where?
Cody found my wallet.
Sorry.
In my car. You're it was like in between the passenger seat or something. And I looked too and I didn't find it. Dude, you know when after I showered, there was all like this black shit on the ground. It took me forever to like get it down.
2 more. 3 more.